Hello Junior 3, let's start our math session today. It's about multiplication. What do you think? What is the meaning of multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Repeated addition means repeat the number over and over and over. For example, if we add 2 plus 2 plus 2, we can represent it like 3 times 2. So here this sign called time. And also we can represent it like here we have 3 groups like 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. In each group we have how many items? We have 2. 2 stars to any item like this. 2 plus 2 plus 2. So it's called multiplication. 3 groups of 2 items. Have equal groups. If we have 3 times 6 equal 18, that means we have 3 groups of 6 items. The first number here, 3, represents the number of groups. And the second number here, 6, represents about the item in each group. And 18 called the product or the total number of 3 times 6. So here we have 3 groups of 6 items. Okay? How we can represent the total number of apples? As you see here we have apples. How I can represent them with multiplication? Skip count by 5. Here we have group of 5, and here we have also group of 5, and here group of 5. Let's counting by 5. We will start 5, then 10, then 15. So here we have 3 equal group of 5, and the total number here equal 15. Yes. So using multiplication equation, it will be what? It will be 3 times 5 equals 15. And we can read it as 3 group of 5 equals 15. Let's do some exercise. Number 1. The first, here we have 2 plus what? Plus another 2 plus another 2 plus another 2. So here the total number is what? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 8. Yes. And we can represent it as how many groups here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 groups. In each group we have how many items? 2. So 4 times 2 equal what also? Equal 8. The next. Here in this group we have 3. Yes. 3 plus what here? How many items here? 3. Plus what? Plus this group equals how many items? 3. So here the total number 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal 9. Excellent. And we can represent it as multiplication equation. 3 groups of 3 items, and we will write it as 3 times 3 equal also 9. Super. The next one. Here we have 4 items in group. So 4 plus what? Plus 4 plus 4, and here plus 4. So now 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, it will be 16, yes. And we can represent it as multiplication equation. It will be 4 groups of 4 items. It will be times 4 equal 60. Another exercise. Here we have how many groups? Do you see? 1, 2. So here we have 2 groups. So we will write in first here the number of groups. We will write the number of groups. Then we will write here the number of items. So here the number of group is what? 2, yes. And the number of items in each group, 3. Can we write it as multiplication equation? We will write 2 groups of 3. That means 2 times 3 equal 6. The next, here in number B, we have here how many groups? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 groups of what? How many items in each group? 2, yes. So we can write it as 4 times 2. It will be 8. The next one. Here we have how many groups? Yes, 1, 2, 3. So firstly you will write the number of group. The number of group here is 3. And the number of items in each groups, 1, 2, 3. So we will write here 3. And we will write it as we said before, 3 times 3. The answer will be 9, yes. And here we have how many groups here? 1, 2. So we will write firstly the number of group. And in each group we have how many items? 4, yes. So you will write 4. And we can write it as 2 times 4 equal 8. Super. Another exercise. Write the 2 equations that represent the following. Number A, we have here what? Here I want to write the number of items in the groups. So here in this group, how many items? Yes, we have 3. And here 3. And here 3. And here also 3. So the total number here is what? Is 12, yes. And the number 12 called sum. And here we can represent with multiplication equation. So here how many groups? We have 4 groups. And each group contains how many items? 3, yes. So the product here is what? Is also 12. Number B. Here we have in this group, yes, 2. And here, yes, 2. And here also 2. So now 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal what? Equal 6. Excellent. And we can represent it as multiplication equation like what? Like here we have how many? groups? We have 3. And each group contains how many items? 2. Yes, so the product is what? Is 6. Number C. Here we have how many items? We have 2. And here plus 2. Excellent. And here plus also 2. And here in last group we have also 2. So the total number here is what? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 8. Super. Can we write it as multiplication equation? Yes. Here we have 4 groups of 2. And the product is what also? 8. So how does an array show multiplication? Do you remember in array we have what? We have row and column. Yes. And row is sleepy line and column is stand up line. So here in this array we have 3 rows of 5 apples, and we can write it as addition equation like 5 plus 5 plus 5. If I said here we have 5 columns, you can write in addition equation what? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, and the sum here also is what? Is 15. When we using multiplication equation, you will write what? We will write here 3 groups of 5, and this equal also 15. And we can read it as 3 times 5 equals 15. Right. Let's do some exercise. Find the total number of array by using repeated addition equation and multiplication equation. Here in number A, we said before, we have here columns. Yes, this is 10 lines. And how many rows here? This is row. Yes, this is called row, and this is also called row, and this is row. With repeated addition equation, we will write with row 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal what? Equal 15. With multiplication equation, we will write what? How many groups? Here we have 3 groups of 5. So we will write 3 times 5 equal 15. Let's solve number B. Here we have how many rows? Here we have row of 2 and another row of 2, another row of 2, another row of 2, another row of 2. So here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal yes, excellent, 10. And we can write multiplication equation. Here we have how many groups? Yes, I hear you, 5. And each contains how many items? Yes, 2. So here 5 times 2 equal what, Junior 3? Equal 10. Here in number D we have 3 groups. Yes, 3 groups of what? Of 4 items. So we will write 4 plus 4 plus 4, and the sum equal 12. Can you write as multiplication equation? Yes, here we have 3 groups of 4. So now 3 times 4 is what? Also 12. Number E, we have here 2 groups. 2 groups of what? Of 3. Yes, so now 3 plus 3 equal 6. Can you write it as multiplication equation? Yes. So here we have how many groups? 2. And in each groups, how many items? 3. Yes, so now 2 times 3 is 6. Complete. Here we have 9 plus 9 plus 9. That means equal 3 times what? Here we have 3 groups of what? Of 9. Yes, excellent. Number B. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 4 times what? Here we have 4 groups. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Of what? Of 2. Excellent. Number C. 3 plus 3 means or equal 2 groups of 3, right? And here 8 plus 8 plus 8 means how many groups here? 3 groups of 8. Super. Here number E, here we have 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 groups of 7. Excellent. Number F, we have 6 plus 6 plus 6. How many groups here? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 groups of 6. Yes. And here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many groups here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 groups of 1. Remember Junior 3. Here we will write the number of group, and second we will write the number of each group contains how many items. Okay? Another exercise. Complete the multiplication equation to describe the following arrays. Here in this example we have 4 rows of 2 columns. So here we have what? We have 1 row of 4 columns. Number C. We have here how many rows? Yes, 1, 2, 3. And here, he write here the number of row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will write here the number of column. How many column here? 1, 2. Number E. We will write the number of row. How many row here? 1, 2. So here we will write 2. Yes, excellent. And here in number F, he write the number of row, and we write here the number of column. How many column? 1, 2, 3. So here we will write 3. Excellent. And now we are in lesson 6. Multiply in any order. And order here, or in any order here, means commutative property. So what is the meaning of commutative property? Let's see together. Commutative property of multiplication means in any order gives the same product. In any order gives the same product. Let's see firstly in array. Here we have 3 rows, as you see, of 4 columns. So 3 times 4 equal 12. And here we have another array. And this array is 4 rows by 3 column, and here we have 4 times 4. We can write it as 4 times 3. So now 3 times 4 is what? 12. And here 4 times 3 also 12. So we can make 3 times 4 equal 4 times 3. Here we change the place between 4 and 3. This is called commutative property. Let's see in equal groups. Here we have 6 groups of 4, and here we have 4 group of 6. So here let's write our multiplication equation. It will be what? It will be 6 times 4, and in other side here we will write what? 4 times 6. So we can set here 6 times 4 equal 4 times. Both of them equal what? Equal 24. Equal 24. Okay? Let's do some exercise. Complete. 2 times 4 equal 4 times what? Make a commutative between 2 and 4. It will be 4 times 2. Excellent. And here in number B, 9 times 3 equal 3 times what? Make a commutative junior 3. It will be 3 times 9. And here 6 times 7, make a commutative. It's what times what? It's 7 times 6. Excellent. And here also we have 7 equal what times what? Equal 7 times 1. Are you ready to go in chapter 3? In chapter 3 we have multiplication story problem. How we can solve story problem. Let's see. A pencil case contains 6 colored pencils. How many colored pencils are there in 4 pencil case? Here we have 6 colored pencils. Okay, and we have 4 pencil case. Let's imagine 4 pencil case. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and in them 6 color pencils. So we have 4 cases, and we have in each case 6 pencils. Can we write it as multiplication equation? Yes, we have here 4 groups of what? In each group how many pencils? We said before 6 pencils. So we will write 4 times 6 equal 24 colored pencils.